Right now on M&A TV, we're very pleased to have Bert Notini, Managing Director of New Mountain Capital. Bert, thank you so much for being here with us today.
Claudia, it's a pleasure to be with you.
Okay, you're a private equity firm. Tell us specifically what you guys do.
Sure. So I'm a Managing Director at New Mountain Capital, and our focus here is really on sort of growth companies that are leaders in their markets, where we can expand them to new markets, we can help enhance their growth, sort of the old-fashioned way by improving earnings, and build companies. So New Mountain means we kind of build new mountains in industries. That's where the name comes from. So that's what we do.
Okay, so from your perspective then, what are the key drivers in M&A?
So from our point of view in M&A, it starts with a solid position in a market. So we like to buy companies where we have a point of view on that market, when we're coming to an idea with work we've already done. So we have a point of view on how we think that market can grow. And we look for companies then that can lead in that market, and from an M&A point of view, can benefit from two things we bring to the table. One, capital, to help them with their growth, and two, sort of operating expertise, to help them kind of operate in a way that they otherwise couldn't on their own. So those are the sort of the two pillars of our strategy.
One of the conversations that we've been talking about throughout the day is the changing digital landscape. What do you see as far as what's happening there and the effect on M&A?
Yeah, it's a great question. I think that the way we see it is that the sort of digitization of information and of communication is really changing, a lot of ways, business models. So as we look at businesses, we know that the way they're doing business today won't be the way they're doing business tomorrow. We sort of have to think through, what does that mean? Usually it's opportunity. Costs can come down, markets can be reached more quickly, but it also has risks, cybersecurity risks, risks around, are people trained properly? How does information get aggregated? So I think it's just sort of part of the landscape now for us as we think about businesses, particularly services businesses where we focus.
Well, that's the thing, it is changing so rapidly. So how do you stay on top of that?
Yeah, I think it's, the market speaks. So I think as we really focus on what, through our companies, what our customers need and what their customers need, it kind of answers itself. And then working with great partners and thinking with, industry advisors around how the markets will move, we're able to stay ahead, and that's part of what we do.
Bert, where do you think the opportunities are right now, M&A opportunities?
Well, in this market, I would say the opportunities are kind of where they always are, which is with kind of companies that are emerging with new solutions, sometimes to old problems, that are looking for capital partners, looking to enter into new markets. We've been recently acquired a company that's based in the UK that wants to enter the US market, where we can bring relationships to the table. So I think it's about being very specific about what you like, what you know, and what you can bring to the table. I think that's the most critical piece.
It's a competitive market out there. How does your company stay ahead?
I think we're very fortunate to partner with great people. We have been fortunate to find great companies. We have great investors, and we like what we do. So we've been lucky.
Bert, so nice to have you with us today. Thank
Claudia,
you so much.
Very nice to meet you.